Hey guys, welcome back to Harles Garage. I finally have another install video on my 2020 Ford Ranger. Today, I'll be installing the Ford trailer brake controller, so stay tuned. My Ranger came equipped with a tow package. However, Ford omitted installing a trailer brake controller from the factory. Now, I don't tow a lot, but I occasionally need to tow our 18-foot WW stock trailer for farm use and as well so I can take my horse, Cass, out for a ride. This trailer is equipped with brakes and weighs approximately 2,500 pounds. By the way, Cass asked that y'all like the video and subscribe. To begin, we will first disconnect the battery's negative terminal. Next, underneath the steering wheel, remove the fuse panel so we can access the wires. To complete the removal of the panel, you'll need to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two plastic pins that hold it in place. Once these are removed, you can completely remove the panel. You will have to remove some trim so that we can run the brake controller wiring harness to the third brake light. Next, pull the rubber door weather stripping out a bit so you can remove the left kick panel and the door sill panel. We will do the same for the back passenger area as well. These panels just pull straight out pretty easily on their own, although it's probably a good idea to use a trim removal tool to help assist you. To remove the last bit of trim that leads up to the headliner, you will need to remove the back passenger seat belt. You can then remove the C-pillar trim the same way we did the rest. Now it's time to pull the headliner down. While this may seem daunting, you don't have to pull the entire headliner down for this install. What I did was remove the headliner slightly from the back window track and pull down until the clip popped out. This gives you enough room to where you can go into the bed of the truck and pull out your connectors. Now we can prep the surface of the control modules with the provided alcohol wipes and adhesive pads. We will then place them under the dash on the metal frame as shown. The kit also comes with zip ties so you can secure them in place. Tucked under the dash is the required wires that you'll need to splice into. They come with heat shrink on them, so you'll first need to remove that so you can connect them with some self-solder butt connectors. With our wires connected, we can hook up the connectors into the control box underneath the dash. We also need to hook the ground cable to the bolt located by the door. can now run the wire towards the back of the truck underneath the trim we had already removed. Take a coat hanger and wrap the end of the cable with some tape so you can pull it through to the back. With the wire back there, you can now connect the brake controller wiring harness with the truck's third brake light. I just tucked the wires into the headliner and then put it back in place. I finished off by zip tying it to the wiring harness on the C-pillar. Now reconnect your seat belt and replace your trim that we had already removed earlier. The last step is to install the controller switch into the fuse panel. This kit provides a template for the switch. Simply drill out the holes in the marked area. Then with a 1-inch bit or a step-up bit, drill out the rest of the hole for the switch housing. Now just connect your switch to the controller and reinstall your fuse panel underneath the steering wheel. Reconnect your battery, and with that, you're done. I hope this install guide helped you guys out. Be sure to leave a like and comment down below. I've got more on the way for the Ranger, so I'll see y'all in the next video.